Hello and welcome to Edoxi. Cybersecurity tools are essential for anyone working to protect digital information and systems. These tools help professionals detect threats, prevent unauthorized access, secure sensitive data, and monitor network activity. From scanning for weaknesses to encrypting files and analyzing traffic, each tool has a unique role in building strong defenses. In this video, we'll explore the top cybersecurity tools every expert should know today and how they're used to keep our digital world safe. Not all cybersecurity tools are created equal. The best ones are reliable, can handle large networks, and work well with different systems. Professionals look for tools that are easy to update, have strong community support, and can spot new threats fast. Whether you're testing for weaknesses or protecting sensitive data, using the right tool makes all the difference. So now let's look at the best tools available. 1. Kali Linux. Kali Linux is the go-to operating system for penetration testing and ethical hacking. It comes loaded with hundreds of tools for scanning networks, finding weaknesses, and testing security all in one place. It's used by everyone from beginners to experts and is constantly updated to keep up with the new threats. Metasploit. Metasploit is a favorite among cybersecurity pros for penetrating testing. It helps you find and safely exploit security gaps in networks or applications. With its huge library of exploits and simple automation, Metasploit is essential for testing defenses and training teams to handle real attacks. Wireshark. Wireshark is a powerful tool for analyzing network traffic. It lets you capture and inspect data packets in real time, helping you spot unusual activity or hidden threats. Used in everything from troubleshooting to investigating attacks, Wireshark is key to understanding what's happening on your network. Encryption. Encryption makes file encryption easy for both individuals and companies. It uses strong 256-bit encryption to protect sensitive files. With a simple drag-and-drop interface, whether you are sharing documents or storing backups, Encryption keeps your data safe from prying eyes. Nikto. Nikto is an open-source tool that scans web servers for security weaknesses. It checks for outdated software, misconfiguration, and thousands of known threats. Running regular Nikto scans help organizations find and fix web vulnerabilities before attackers do. Nessus. Nessus is a widely used tool for professional vulnerability scanning. It quickly finds security gaps across networks, servers, and devices with daily updates to catch the latest threat. Nessus is easy to use, works on all major operating systems, and is trusted by organizations worldwide. No single tool can handle every cyber threat. That is why professionals combine tools like Kali Linux, Metasploit, and Wireshark for layered protection. Using the right mix helps you spot, test, and fix security gaps faster and keeps defenses strong against new attacks. Cyber threats are evolving, and so are the tools to fight them. Mastering these top cybersecurity tools is essential for anyone serious about a career in this field. If you want hands-on training and the latest skills, check out Edoxi's cybersecurity programs. Stay sharp, stay secure, and thanks for watching. For more informative content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon.